That fire truck just passed me a few minutes ago. Bunch of fire over there. Oh, they're making everybody get off the highway. I don't see why. The fire's all over on the other side, but here we are. The whole highway's getting off. Coming up. Can't see him. Oh, there we go. Oh, that stinks. Whatever that smoke is that's burning. Oh my God, that stinks. That is not grass. That is, I don't know, like rubber or plastic or something. Holy moly, that stinks. Kinda looks like that part's out anyway. At least somewhat. Like, why are we getting off? I don't see any other fire. I just see the fire on the other side of the road. I see nothing over here. And the other side of the highway, they're still on the highway. See, it's still cars. I mean, they're going slow because they can't see where they're going, but they're still going. But we're getting off the highway. I don't understand. I got all these cars all stacked up. Good Lord, that smoke stinks. What is that? And all of this, that's all burned, but that's from a previous fire. That's not today. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't get why we're getting kicked off the highway, but the other side where the fire actually is, they're going. Don't understand. Alright, come on people, let's go. All these people that are on the frontage road right here, they're the people that cut through the grass median and got off the highway. Look, there's no fire. There's smoke, but there's no fire right there. I don't know, maybe there's some burnt grass there. I don't see any fire though. It looks like an old fire. like a little patch of burn grass, but there's no fire there. I think that's something old. There's no fire at all. This is so dumb. What is wrong with these people? The side of the highway that's on fire is going. And this side where there's no fire is shut down. Why? There's nothing up there. Smoke's all cleared out up there. There's nothing. Yeah, see, that's all old fire. That's not this one. This is so dumb. I think that's it. That's all there was. Let's see. Let's go through the light. I see there's another police officer coming. You can see him in the side view mirror. Why would they shut down this side of the highway after we've already been through the fire and all the smoke and all of that? Come on, let's go before the cop gets here. We'll pull over for this time. Yeah, I missed the light. There's nothing. Zero. See, there's a big bridge. Like the fire can't even get over here. You got a big highway. Oh, this is so dumb. Where's that guy even going? Where is he going? He's up on the highway now with his lights on. There's nothing. There's nothing down there. Still going. He's still got his lights on like he's going somewhere, but there's nothing there. There's nothing. There's literally nothing. He's still got his lights on. He's still going. Who knows where, but he's still going. Where's this dude going? What a dummy. What a dummy. Oh, I got another fire on the exit ramp sign. What? Alright, so we got a little bitty tiny little fire there. You can literally stomp that fire out. That thing's nothing. Where'd that cop go? There he is. I see him over there on the other side. Coming back this way. Trying to be important. There he is. No, there's nothing. Nothing at all. That's where he crossed right there. There's nothing. There's no more fires. Nothing. Zip. That's it. Shut down my whole side of the highway for nothing.